you know that some Loafy music channels on YouTube make thousands of dollars per month without ever showing their face, speaking a word, or recording a single sound themselves? With over 10 million people streaming Loafy beats daily to relax, study, or sleep, this genre has quietly become a goldmine on YouTube. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a musician to start a Loafy channel anymore. Thanks to AI, anyone, yes, even you, can build a monetizable Loafy music channel from scratch with zero experience. In this video, we're going to break down the full process, from creating AI-generated music, to designing looped visuals, to optimizing your content for YouTube monetization, everything step by step. So grab your headphones, and let's build your very own Loafy empire. Understanding the opportunity. Loafy music, short for low fidelity, is a genre known for its chill, atmospheric, and imperfect sound. It's background music that people listen to while working, studying, meditating, or winding down after a long day. And it's exactly because of this niche purpose that Loafy has gained massive popularity. YouTube is flooded with channels like Lo-Fi Girl with over 13 million subscribers, Chill Hop Music with millions of monthly listeners, and newer channels earning passive income by streaming AI-generated beats 24/7. But why is this genre so successful? Because it taps into emotional utility. People don't just listen to it because it sounds good. They need it. Loafy music provides a relaxing escape, a productivity booster, or a mood enhancer. It's the ultimate background soundtrack for working, studying, relaxing, or even sleeping. The best part, you don't need an expensive studio or a degree in music production to make it. With the power of AI tools, you can create your very own lo-fi beats and visuals to build a profitable channel. Plus, it's non-competitive visually, meaning you don't need cinematic videos or flashy editing. Simple looped animations paired with relaxing beats are all you need. And here's the cherry on top. Thanks to AI tools, you can now compose original Loafy tracks with zero music skills, generate album art or animations with a few clicks, write titles, descriptions, and tags for YouTube SEO without writing a single word, and automate publishing and social media sharing, all with minimal human effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step blueprint, creating AI-generated lo-fi music. Step 1, generating your music. If you've ever thought that creating music requires years of training or a complex studio setup, think again. Thanks to AI, anyone can create amazing Loafy beats. Here are some of the best AI tools to help you create authentic Loafy music. 1. Soundraw.io. How it works: choose mood, tempo, and instruments, and AI will generate a complete Loafy track for you. It even lets you adjust the structure, intro, chorus, bridge. Why it's great? It's intuitive, and it allows a lot of flexibility. Plus, the tracks are royalty-free and ready for commercial use, making it ideal for YouTube monetization. Tip: try experimenting with different moods like chill study vibes or relaxed rainy day to see which resonates most with your audience. 2. Boommy.com. How it works: it's a free tool where you select the genre, Loafy in this case, and Boommy will generate a full track in a matter of minutes. You can tweak it with additional effects. Why it's great? It's perfect for beginners, and the user interface is incredibly easy to use. Plus, you don't need to be an expert in music production to make something sound professional. Tip: after creating your track, consider adding subtle effects like ambient nature sounds or slight vinyl crackles for that true Loafy vibe. 3. AIVA.ai. Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist. How it works: AIVA is more advanced and can create compositions with greater depth, ideal for users wanting more control over the music. Why it's great? You get a lot more flexibility in terms of composition. It's designed for people who want to create full-fledged pieces of music. Tip: AIVA's complex capabilities make it great for creating mood-based pieces. Try using AIVA to create ambient music or mood-based compositions like Dreamy or Nighttime. Pro tip: whenever using AI tools, always check licensing rights. Most platforms like Boommy and Soundraw allow commercial usage, but it's essential to ensure you're allowed to monetize your content. This will save you headaches down the road. Also, aim for 3 to 5 minute tracks, which are the ideal length for YouTube Loafy videos. Keep the beats relaxing and soothing with a soft melody and ambient undertones. Want to make your channel stand out? Add effects like rain sounds, nature noise, or vinyl crackles. You can do this for free with tools like Audacity or V.io. Creating visuals with AI. Now that you've got your music, let's move on to the visuals. In the Loafy genre, visuals are just as important as the music. Think about it. A looped animation, paired with your track, creates an atmosphere and mood that keeps people coming back. But don't worry, creating visuals doesn't require years of animation experience. Thanks to AI, you can create beautiful, engaging visuals in minutes. Here's how to create those relaxing visuals. 1. Kyber AI. How it works. Kyber is an AI-powered video generator. You can either upload an image or create one based on a prompt, e.g., girl studying in cozy room with rain outside, and generate stunning animations that loop seamlessly. Why it's great? You don't need to be an animator. You just need to provide Kyber with a prompt, and it does all the work for you. 2. Pictory.ai. How it works. Pictory is another AI tool that turns text into video. You can create simple animations or use AI-generated images to generate relaxing scenes. Why it's great? It's quick and easy to use for beginners. You can use Pictory to create aesthetic videos with minimal effort. Perfect for looping. 3. Canva Pro. How it works. Canva is known for being user-friendly and allows you to create static or animated graphics for free or with a pro subscription. You can use their templates to make professional-looking Loafy visuals, adding effects like blinking lights or rainy windows. Why it's great? It's a very accessible tool for beginners and has a massive library of stock images, animations, and templates. 4th, Runway ML. How it works. Runway is a more advanced AI tool that allows you to generate unique videos and scenes. It provides full creative control, which is great if you want more complex visuals. Why it's great? It's perfect for users who want to produce higher quality and more dynamic content, offering professional-grade video effects. Audio-visual sync. Tip: the key to a great Loafy video is making sure your visual loops seamlessly match the beat of the track. For instance, if the track loops every 4 seconds, make sure the visual loops in sync to avoid a jarring experience. Make sure your visual aesthetic matches your audio's vibe. The color palette is essential. Use soft blues, warm oranges, and muted greens for a relaxing, cozy vibe. Avoid anything too bright or distracting. Assembling your lo-fi video. Now let's combine everything into a finished product. Once you have your AI-generated music and visuals, it's time to bring them together. Here are some simple video editing tools you can use to put everything together. 1. CapCut Desktop, free and easy to use. 2. Adobe Premiere Pro for pros. 3. DaVinci Resolve, free, powerful, and great for professional-grade videos. Steps for creating your Loafy video. 1. Drag your AI-generated lo-fi track onto the timeline. 2. Add your visuals, whether it's a looping animation or a static background with visual effects. 3. Make sure the loop in the video is seamless. You don't want it to feel choppy or disjointed. 4. Add fade-ins and fade-outs for both audio and video. This will make the transitions smoother and give your video a polished feel. Optional, add effects like subtle camera zoom, raindrops, or a blurred foreground to create depth. Once everything looks perfect, export the video in 1080p or 4K, ensuring you use a good bitrate around 10 to 20 megabits per second for high-quality output. Now you're ready to upload. Uploading, optimizing, and monetizing. Now that your lo-fi video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube and start monetizing your channel. Here's how to ensure your video gets the attention it deserves. 1. Title. Use keywords that people search for. Titles like Loafy Beats to Study and Relax, Chill Loafy Mix, Rainy Night Study Session, AI-generated lo-fi music for focus. These titles are specific, descriptive, and include keywords that are relevant to your niche. 2. Description. The description is crucial for SEO and discovery. Make sure you include the track title, the mood, e.g. calm, study, rainy, tools you used, e.g. SoundRaw, Kyber, Boommy, tags and keywords. A call to action, subscribe for more daily Loafy beats. 3. Tags and hashtags. Don't skip this. Use 10 to 15 relevant tags like Loafy, chill beats, study beats, focus music, Loafy hip hop. 4. Thumbnails. Design a minimalist thumbnail that reflects the vibe of your Loafy mix. You can use Canva Pro or Photor for quick designs. Consider using AI-generated art with text overlays, such as chill rain vibes or midnight Loafy mix. 5. Monetization rules. To be eligible for monetization, you'll need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million YouTube Shorts views. But here's the trick. Accelerate monetization by uploading regularly 2 to 3 videos a week. Focus on longer mixes, 1 hour or more, to boost watch time and create shorts that engage viewers. Keep in mind that AI music and animations make everything more efficient. Caution: ensure no copyright issues arise from using third-party samples. Stick to royalty-free music and sound effects to avoid problems with YouTube's Content ID system. Growing your channel. Now that you have your Loafy videos on YouTube, it's time to grow your channel. Here are some tips for consistent growth. 1. Channel branding. Create a cozy banner with an AI-generated scene or calming colors like blues and purples. Use a simple profile logo that represents your brand, perhaps a relaxing animated character or a minimalist design. Your channel description should be clear. What type of content do you upload? How often? Why should viewers subscribe? 2. Playlists. Group your Loafy mixes into themes for better discoverability. Examples: Rainy Night, Loafy, Focus, and Study Beats. Sleepy Vibes 3. Community building. Even if your videos don't require active interaction, you can still engage with your audience. Use polls to ask viewers what vibe they want for the next mix. Share calming quotes or AI art that aligns with the Loafy aesthetic. Encourage viewers to comment on their favorite tracks or what they're using the music for, e.g. studying, meditating. 4. Collaborations. Collaborate with other small Loafy channels. Share each other's videos, feature a track on each other's channels, and grow together. 5. Live streams. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, try setting up 24/7 streams using OBS, Open Broadcaster software. Play all your Loafy tracks on loop. Add a simple, calming background animation. Let the stream run to accumulate watch hours passively while you sleep. Income streams and scaling monetization doesn't stop at YouTube ads. Here are 5 additional ways to earn from your Loafy channel. 1. Sell your Loafy packs. Export your AI tracks as digital albums and sell them on platforms like Bandcamp or Gumroad. Offer special deals for your YouTube followers. 2. Distribute on streaming platforms. Sign up with DistroKid or TuneCore to upload your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming services. You earn royalties each time someone streams your music. 3. YouTube memberships. Offer exclusive perks to your subscribers, such as early access to mixes, access to behind-the-scenes content, exclusive members-only music tracks. 4. Merch store. Sell Loafy-inspired merch such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters. Platforms like Printful or Teespring take care of the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. 5. Patreon. Offer more exclusive content through Patreon, longer mixes, custom playlists, and even wallpapers or unique Loafy sounds for your supporters. Each income stream adds stability to your Loafy business and opens new avenues for scaling your channel. In conclusion, creating a monetizable Loafy music channel with AI is completely within reach, even for beginners. You don't need to be an expert musician or animator to start. With the right tools, dedication, and creativity, you can build a passive income stream that continues to grow. So get started today with